Kalflai atu, hane ho tola to wala tau tutupu ke lata yume puli pone. Greetings and kalflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Kua malikisi hake numela he tangata ni komoa e ngā suka ki loto Pasifika. High prevalence of diabetes within the Pacific. Niueans raise thousands of dollars for a cancer patient. Ko whakalataha e tau tangata Niue ke tutuli tupe ke lata ia me taha awhine Niue. Water wellhead protection regulations. Koe tau matawhatuwhono mai tau pamuwai. Kua tuhia i ke he tau kumikumianga he Matakau Pacific Community ne kua whakapūloa ke he aho World Diabetes Day koe 3.4 e pasene e tau tangata Niue ne kua mauai e ngangau suka. Koe tau motu atu Pasifika laulangi ne kua tōlahi e lahi e tau numela he tau tangata ni kua moai e ngangau suka. Ke he whahi lalo he atu Pasifika, kua lauia i tahe seo 5.2 miliona tangata ke he ngangau suka mo e 8.5 miliona ne kua nākai la whakamoli kua maua e lautolu e ngangau suka. Mai he tau matunumela nei tu mau e ngangau suka ke malikisi ki loto he atu Pasifika. Koe motu ko Amerika Samoa ko whaanga fulmafitu poini tolu e pasene ne ko maua he ngangau suka. Tolung fulmavalu poini wha e pasene ke lata mo Niue mo e motu ha Melisania. Longa la he tonga ngau suka ni ko hahai ke he vevehe ngaua he ngangau suka. Ko mai ke to tangata ke puipui mai he ngangau nei, po ke ngangau suka kai ke kua kai ke tau kai mitaki mo e whawhau sino. Niue has a 38.4% prevalence of diabetes. This was revealed in the statistics for the Pacific released for World Diabetes Day this week by the Pacific community. This is Sofia Koroitanoa with more details.
The Pacific is one of the regions with the highest rates of diabetes. Many Pacific Island countries are among the global top 10 in terms of diabetes prevalence. For the Western Pacific region, 158.8 million people currently live with diabetes, with 85.9 million undiagnosed. Numbers are on the rise. American Samoa has a prevalence of 47.3% and 38.4% for the Federated States of Micronesia and Niue, respectively. Most of these cases are type 2 diabetes, which are largely preventable through regular physical activity, a healthy and balanced diet, and the promotion of healthy living environments. Sofia Koroitanoa, BCN News.
Ke whai tapu kua moale ne whakahoko e whakaloanga tutulianga tupe, ke lata me taha a whine mo tuko Crystal to penina he kau aho sivi. Ke lata me tuluianga he hānanga ngau ke ne sā ke he huhu. Toko hongfu mataha e tau matakau ke he kehe ne ko whakatātā e tau kōli mai e tau motu ke he kehe ke lau mataia ki e tau whakaoloanga ke lata me pō ne ko mōlea e hongo fulu e awhi tau tāla ne ko moa. Ahai ai fōki taha whakaoloanga ne whakamatapatu e whahinga hua malolo sino ka whakalataha mai sine ka Marawa Resort ke tau whaita puku kua mole ne kua moa e whitu e awhi tau tāla. Lalafi fōki ke tau tutulianga tupe mafti he aonga he tau whānau I kiki ko e tahe a whetau tāla. Ke mga au nei ke kupeanga hila Give a Little toko tahe seo me wofu maua e tangata ni ko fua ki tupe ke he whahaolanga nei me kua hoko tua e tupe ke katoa toa ke hongfuma wale a whe whai seo he wangfuma whai tāla me limunga fuma whai e sene. Over $10,000 was raised for cancer patient Crystal Toipenina Heko Ahosivi from the fundraising concert at the Taonga Niue building last week to help her buy life with breast cancer drugs. Crystal was hosted by more than 300 supporters at the concert. Not only is Penina single-handedly coping with the terminal disease, being told she is incurable, but battling the heavy price tags and added stress associated with the medication cost her over $7,000 per month. Penina's endured excruciating pain, a total hip replacement, and learned cancer had spread to her spine while she languished on a waiting list for radiation. While the concert raised $10,100 as curtains drew on the night, Cyril still came forward, bringing the total amount to $10,000, $10,830. The Give a Little donation page for Penina now sits at a $18,494.57 from a total of 122 donors. Mam he ahoe nia whine whakahoko e tā whanoanga ke whakatutala me whakakise manatu ke tau mata whakatuwhono pamuwai whaingoa whakapelitania koe Water Wellhead Protection Regulations. Ke pupui e tau matakawi i ne takai e tau pamuwai ko lau tolu ne takitaki e whanoanga ia koe whahinga hua papiliki ka whakalataha me whahinga hua malolo sino pia whoki me whahinga hua takatakai motu. Tō lahi e whiawhia me whakau e tau takitaki e whainga hua ke leweki e potaanga he tau koloa ka kua talia he tau hukui e la mata whutuwhono pamuwai mai longa e manako he tau hukui maanga ke liliu ke he tau maanga takitaha ke whakatutala ke matanga hua nei ka e mua atu ke moua e talianga ka toa me whakaholo e la mata whakatuwhono nei.
Ka koe whikaulahi ne moua e ni awhi. Me lehi a whia hako mō e talianga he tō tangata. Ka kanu ni hako i loa tō e tō hanganga rea he maone he tūanga wai, ke whakahanga mitaki. Mo e pui ke aua ne ke le kua i tawana wai e tō.
Kua manake ai whoki ke whakahoko e taha whono ke he tau whou ke lata ia ke liu ki se kise ke tau la mata whakatuwhono nei a tō hoko ke mga aho kia whakatū ai he kapeneta. The Water Wellhead Protection Regulations was presented to village councils and landowners, including respective government agencies at the Millennium Hall yesterday, with the aim of receiving approval from the representatives regarding protection measures for wellheads to avoid contamination to Niue's waters.
The consultation is to have that awareness and also to get that support in developing the wellhead regulation. Whatever we impose, the regulation imposes is to protect, to make sure that the contaminating of the wellhead is not it's managed.
The Department of Utilities were pleased having received the final outcome being endorsed by the attendees on the way forward for the regulations, noting the importance of the desire for the village members to return to their villages in gaining wider approval, as with obtaining thoughts pertaining to the new regulations. A meeting will be hosted next year once all feedback is received from each of the villages so as to be reflected appropriately in the regulations. Ke tau kumikumianga he tau uafe ke uafe me hongfuluma lima ko whakamōli koe whangfuluma tolu e pasene e tangata ni ko mauai ke tau ngangau prostate ke motu. Pea mai e ke kāwho ni ko tausia e tau kumikumianga kene sa i Niue ko Sunia Foliaki mai he tau uafe ke uafe me hongfuluma lima toko onukfuluma hiva e whiwhine he tau hongfuluma whā ki lunga ni kua whakalataha ke tau kumikumianga kene sā. Si mai he tau kumikumianga ia kua hongfuluma wau le paseni alau tolu ni ko maua e ngangau kene sā ke huhu. Mo e hongfuluma wau whoki e pasene ni ko maua e ngangau kene sā ke he nofoanga tama. Tunga kene sā ke he ase po ke kili ne kua whakamōli ke he tau kumikumianga koe hongfuluma wau le pasene he tau tangata he motu ni kua lauia ki ai. Koe kene sā prostate moa ai e tau sanga vai ke langmatai ke tuluia ke ngangau ke whahi malolo sino. Ka koe tau kene sā ke kehene toi koe whenonga ni ki New Zealand ke moa langmatai. Prostate cancer makes up majority of cancer cases in this country. This is according to a study by Dr. Sunia Foliaki from 2000 to 2015. This is Fia Rex with more details on the story.
According to the study, out of the 69 women screened, 18% had breast cancer and 18% had uterus cancer. The highest form of cancer out of the total population screened was prostate at 43%. While prostate cancer can be treated in Niue, the remaining cancers and chemotherapy requires overseas treatment. Liver and skin cancers were the second highest to prostate, accounting for 18% of the total population of Niueans scanned during that period. While Niueans since time immemorial have spent a great deal out in the sun, disregarding little use for applying sunscreen, people are advised to use sunscreen as prevention is better than cure.
And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Of course, mene do tolu atau walatal tutupu, ke lata ia mai paulia po nei. Ke nono wha mua ke mnuina uki o ki wahatapu.